I'm going to reveal the incredible success behind a simple children's storybook, which has generated an awesome $226,000 in passive income. And I'll be showing you how you can do the same through the process of launching a similar business that uses the power of AI technology. So if your goal is to generate passive income, then you're in for a treat because this video is packed with exclusive information that you won't find anywhere else. So stay tuned and let's dive straight in. So picture this. I was casually browsing through Amazon looking for potential passive income ideas when something caught my eye, a children's storybook product. At first, it seemed like an ordinary book, but I was curious, so I did some in-depth research. And I found out that the earnings that these sellers were making by selling seemingly simple storybooks were mind-boggling. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. One particular book had gotten a whopping 2,705 ratings. Now, if we crunch the numbers and multiply that by the book's price of $11.99, we're looking at over $32,000 in earnings from that single book alone. Impressive, right? Another book had received a staggering 17,389 ratings. Multiply that by its price of $5.98, and guess what? The seller raked in over $103,000 from just that one book. And to top it all off, this seller has got a jaw-dropping $132,000 in total earnings. But here's where it gets even crazier. You can publish these books for free. Yes, you heard that right, completely free using Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. And that's when inspiration struck me. I had a genius idea to create a similar book using ChatGPT, an AI-powered tool, and then publish it on Amazon to generate passive income while I sleep. And that is why I decided to create this video. I want to share this awesome method with as many people as possible, helping them tap into this amazing opportunity and make money in the most effortless way imaginable. So get ready to dive deep into this mind-blowing venture with me. The journey to making money while you sleep begins now. So to create a good storybook for kids, the first step is to have a captivating story idea. So I turned to my trusty chatbot to help me generate a good title. The first suggestion was The Magical Adventures of Sparky the Dragon, which was decent, but I felt we could aim for something even more thrilling. After a few more attempts, the chatbot came up with Charlie and the Enchanted Zoo, a tale of friendship and adventure. Now, that sounds like a story we can work with. Then I continued my conversation with the chatbot, asking for some extra details about the story. It recommended that the book would be perfect for children aged between 6 and 10 years old. The storyline revolves around a young boy named Charlie who goes on a family visit to the zoo. But things take a turn when Charlie finds a hidden path that takes him to a world of enchantment. In this magical world, animals not only talk, but also interact with him on thrilling adventures. I instantly fell in love with this idea and decided to go through with this story. With the story outline all done, the next step was to create a detailed framework for each chapter. Thanks to the chatbot's help, it quickly generated a list of chapters and its scenes. So for example, chapter 1, A Day at the Zoo, chapter 2, The Talking Animals, chapter 3, The Enchanted Zoo's Dangers, and so on. Now that we have our chapter list, it's time to bring the story to life. Here's where the magic happens. I copy the first chapter, paste it into the chatbot, and ask it to write a rhythm story. In just moments, the chatbot creates an engaging story based on our chapter outline. If we're not happy with the first try, we can ask for a new story until we find one that fits perfectly. With each chapter developed, our story starts to come together effortlessly. We can already picture how it will captivate young readers and bring us passive income. It's incredible how quickly we've turned our idea into a good story. Now, let's talk about an important part of any great story: beautiful illustrations. We all know that a captivating tale needs stunning pictures. Hiring an artist for this can be expensive. But guess what? There's an amazing solution. We can use an AI art generator to create original illustrations for free. Yes, you heard that right. With just a few words, we can have our own unique pictures. So now let me walk you through the process of using an AI art generator, specifically Leonardo.Ai. I used to use MidJourney, but it now needs a membership fee. So I found a free alternative called Leonardo, which is another awesome AI art generator. Here's how you can sign up. Go to Leonardo.Ai, and once you're on the website, you'll see the option for early access. Click on it, and then next, submit your email address by filling it in the right field. To join the Leonardo Discord server, just click the button and accept their invite. If you already have a Discord account, you can join their server directly. Otherwise, just create a Discord account, download the app, and then join the server. A window will appear asking you to select the languages you speak. Choose one or more languages, or you can skip the step if you want. You'll then be prompted to select why you want to use Leonardo's AI. Choose Create Art and then click Next. Once you're in the Leonardo Discord server, scroll down the left-hand side and click on Priority Early Access. After that, scroll up and click on Form to be redirected to a new web page. Fill out the form and then go back to Leonardo.Ai and click Launch App. On the next page, click Yes, I'm whitelisted, and then click the button to log into Leonardo. If you use a Gmail account, you can sign in using that or enter your email information and click Sign In. And that's it. So Leonardo offers a huge collection of user-generated images. The interface is super clean and organized, making it super easy to work on compared to other platforms. So now let's dive into the image generation process. Just click on the AI image generation option, and in the designated prompt section, you can unleash your imagination by describing the image you want to create. Now let's go back to the story chapters you've crafted earlier. For instance, I had Charlie and his family visit the local zoo as the first chapter. Copy and paste this text into the prompt section and add Kids Storybook to specify the desired art style. With the prompt set, it's time to click the Generate button. Now here's a pro tip. Since the free version of Leonardo allows you to generate 150 images, remember that the count resets every 8 hours. To make the most of this opportunity, I recommend selecting a lower number of images per prompt. This way, you can get a huge collection of images for your storybook. Once it's done generating, feast your eyes on the 4 fantastic images that have been generated for us. Take your time to explore and choose your favorite. When you've made your choice, just click the download image button to save it. A new page will open, and with a right click on the image, select Save Image As to keep it safe on your device. Now let me tell you about a simple trick to create new images featuring the same character as our first image. If your storybook characters don't have names yet, go ahead and give them names. In my case, the character is already named Charlie, so I'll specify that Charlie is a human, a 10-year-old boy. Include this information at the beginning of each prompt to keep up the consistency. So let's generate the second image for the chapter where Charlie discovers a hidden path and enters the enchanted zoo. Copy the prompt and paste it into the right section. Remember to specify the character details. Then complete the rest of the prompt, which is discovers a hidden path and enters the enchanted zoo. As always, finish with Kids Storybook to show that you want a specific art style. Now, all you have to do is repeat this process for all the images you want to generate. And in about 30 minutes, I was able to prepare all the illustrations I needed. It was so easy. Now that we have all our images ready, let me show you how to create a professional looking storybook by combining the text generated by ChatGPT and the images generated by Leonardo. First, go to canva.com and search for storybook. Create a blank storybook template by selecting the option and then upload the AI generated images into the template. Simply drag and drop your first image into the right area. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first part of your story. Paste it on top of the image in Canva and customize the text the way you want. You can experiment with different colors, font styles, and even add shadows to make everything look better. Once you're happy, duplicate the template to maintain a consistent style and add the new image. Repeat this process for all the chapters in your book, and when you've completed the text and image combination for each chapter, save your storybook as a PDF. Now, I have to say congratulations because you've just created your very own storybook that quickly. Now, there's one last step to start earning passive income. publishing your book on Amazon. So I can't explain the whole process here, but you can find a ton of YouTube tutorials that provide detailed instructions. Just search for tutorials that walk you through the publishing process on Amazon's KDP platform. And that's it. Will you be trying this method out? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to show some love to this video by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Trust me, you want to be the first to know about our next videos because I've got some exciting tips and tricks up my sleeve to help you make money online like a pro. See you next time.